7 proven ways to make any woman miss you. If you as a man get ignored by women at times, then this video is for you. In this video, we will go over 7 proven ways that will make a woman miss you. To make a woman miss you, you have to give her something she feels is unique and can't get anywhere else. And this will work whether you're in a relationship or just talking with a woman. And with every point you listen to and put into practice, you will not only be craved by women, but you will also get ahead of the competition. Keep your eyes and ears open for point number 5. Number 1, don't contact her. Women are used to men submissively chasing and pursuing them, but no one can miss you if you're always there. Simply not communicating and distancing yourself will keep you on her mind. She'll start to wonder what you're doing, what you're up to, etc. The fact that she hasn't heard from you will make her imagination run wild. She might even start to imagine you with other women, and jealousy will set in. By not contacting her, you're showing her that you're independent of her and capable of living your life without her. The real reason why not contacting her works is that it feels like rejection. And when a man shows a woman that he's well-equipped and capable of handling life without her, she starts to miss him. She begins to realize that she's an option, not a requirement for him. This type of rejection, ironically, makes her crave you more. Romantic rejection stimulates the parts of the brain associated with motivation, reward, addiction, and cravings. Number 2, show her you're still living your life. When a woman misses you, the first place she'll check up on you is social media. She'll think you're not doing much if she logs on and sees little to no updates. Posting your successes or fun moments without being boastful or cocky lets her know she's missing out. Even just a nice picture will suffice. Women love being part of a man's life events, so dropping hints of your successes makes her feel like she's missing something important. This doesn't have to be boastful. Even if you don't have any major wins, a simple good photo is enough to remind her of you. Number 3, don't give in to her attention bait. When she realizes you haven't reached out, she might try to get your attention indirectly, often via social media. She might post nice pictures or subliminal statuses aimed at you. Ignore them. She's waiting for your acknowledgement. And once you give it to her, for example, like her pictures or comment on her posts, you're validating her efforts. By not liking her pictures, you'll drive her crazy. She's doing these things for you, so don't give in. As you are getting value out of this video, make sure you like the video, and our channel aims to help you find the right person by your side and lead a life of true happiness and fulfillment. We aim to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. We request you to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on valuable information that will help you to become more dominant. Number 4, don't be eager, be vague. When she eventually does reach out, which she will, don't be overly excited to hear from her. Expressing too much excitement is a turn-off because it shows dependency. When you're too excited, she thinks you've been waiting on the phone, even if that's not true. Instead, play it cool. Keep your responses short and simple but polite. A response like, "Hey, how have you been?" is cordial yet vague enough to stand out. Be cool and keep your responses brief. Also, do not forget to like the video. Number 5, create jealousy. This doesn't mean you need to date or talk to someone else. It could be as simple as posting a picture with friends where a woman is present. Trust me, she'll notice. She might even stalk the tagged woman's page to figure out who she is. Her imagination will run wild, and she'll assume you're involved with another woman. Even posting about a celebrity crush can evoke jealousy. The point is to show her you have options besides her, because in reality, you do. Number 6, give her a nickname. A unique nickname is a great way to make her miss you because she'll think of you every time she hears it. Make sure it's common enough that she'll hear it again. Tie the nickname to something personal, like her favorite food, TV show, or color. You're creating an associative memory, which makes her think of you whenever she encounters it. Associative memory is highly effective in psychology. Number 7, teach her something new. Women love to learn from a man because teaching and mentorship are traits associated with leadership. Women naturally want to be led by a man. And if you can teach her something, she'll appreciate you even more. Women view men who are capable of teaching them as confident, capable, and loving. Teaching her something new is a surefire way to leave a lasting impression. Making a woman miss you is easy once you understand the psychology behind it. Women are emotional creatures, and once she starts missing you, you need to take it to the next step and show your dominant performance in the bed. Hence, I highly recommend you watch this video.